Hi my dear children, how are you all? I hope you are fine and safe at home. This is M. Tamilvanan, your physics teacher from Bharathidasanar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today I am going to take a new topic from the 12th standard, second unit, electricity, part 7, the Kirchhoff's rule. The Kirchhoff first rule, the algebraic sum of the electric current meeting at any junctions of the circuit is 0. So, which means the n number of the electric current meeting at any junctions is equal to 0. See in this diagram, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. So, there are 5 electric current meeting at this junction. The dot point is nothing but junction, right. See here I1 is current is towards the junction and I2 is moving from this junction, the I3 the current is moving from this junction and I4 is towards the junction and I5 is moving towards. So, towards the junction means we have to take positive and outwards junction means we have to take negative. See the I1 is current is towards the junction. So, towards the junction is what? Positive I1. And outwards we have to take negative, so minus I2, then minus I3, then plus I4 and plus I5 is equal to 0. Or the same equation we can write I1, these two are living no, so you have to write in right hand side. So here I2 then plus I3, okay. These two are incoming current, or which means the towards the junction means, so you have to write in left hand side I1 plus I4 plus I5. So this is another equation for this circuit, okay. So here we can take this is 4 ampere, this is 5 ampere, here 9 ampere. Okay. So, if the sum of this two current is equal to this leaving current, okay, incoming current is equal to leaving this junction. Here 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So, here 5 ampere, here 5 ampere, which means 4 plus 5 plus 5. So, here 14 is equal to 14 ampere, which means incoming current is equal to outgoing electric current. Next, based on this statement, can solve one problem. See, here one circuit is given, I1 current is equal to 2 ampere and I2 current is equal to 3 ampere. The I3 current is unknown value. So, we have to find out this unknown value. Then I4 also unknown electric current, then I5 is 1 ampere. So, take my dear children, here we have two junction A and B. In this junction the three currents are meeting, one is I1, I2 and I3. Here I1 and I2 is towards this junction, but I3 is what? Outwards this junction. So, that is why you have to write the formula by using Kirchhoff first rule. So, towards the junction means we have to take positive I1, next I2 also towards the junction. The outwards junction means we have to take negative, this is I3. So, this formula also we can write I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. Here I1 is equal to 2, I2 is equal to 3, equal to I3. So, I3 is equal to 5 ampere, right. So, here I3 is equal to 5 ampere. So, this 5 ampere move from A to B. So, in this junction we have three currents, the I3 and I5 is towards the junction. So, flowing towards the junction, but I4 is leaving this junction. So we can write the formula towards the junction means positive. So I3 plus I5 equal to I4. I3 is equal to 5 ampere plus I5 is equal to 1 ampere equal to I4. So I4 is equal to 6 ampere. So here I4 value, I4 is equal to 6 ampere, right. So this is very easy method. So that's why we have to use the Kirchhoff rule. Okay, my dear children. So in this video session we have seen the Kirchhoff first rule. Based on this rule we solve one problem. So please go through the study material and write the self assessment test. Thank you.